Hello, a great big hello to y'all, all my friends out there. You know, here it is. We're right up here on another Christmas, and this year I have 11 grandchildren to play Grandma Santa Claus to. And that's my favorite part of Christmas, y'all, is being with my 11 grandchildren and looking at them and all their perfection. I mean, we're so blessed because all 11 of them are so healthy. And, but for the grace of God, you know, so anybody out there that has grandchildren that has some kind of problem, health problem, I pray for y'all. I pray for y'all. And I know how blessed that we are as a family, the Groover Deen family. And I just want y'all to know that y'all are in my thoughts. And I hope that all of y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And you know what I pray for most is contentment and serenity. Because I think if you have those two things, you can't help but be happy and fulfilled feeling. And just put it all to God. It's all in His hands. So y'all have a Merry Christmas. Know that a lot of love comes to y'all from me and my extended family. And y'all be safe, wear your mask, don't forget, because we don't want to get sick, not here at Christmas time. So love and best wishes, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Let's see 2020 out our back door. I'm ready to see it gone. How about y'all? Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.